Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. If you like type 4 natural hair care, a little fashion, and some lifestyle vlogs, this is the place to be, okay? I'm just saying, okay? So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and today we're gonna talk. What'd you say? Oh, you say you like my shirt. Oh, you say you like my shirt. Let me give you a close up then. This is the Good Hair, scratch that, Phenomenal Hair t-shirt that I made. I'm very excited about this. A lot of the t-shirts that I have, they are inspired by my hair journey, as well as some bust stuff for women, for whoever you are, you guys. I love this t-shirt line. I have about 5 or 6 t-shirts in the shop. You guys go ahead, check it out. This video is sponsored by me. It's one of the ways in which I'm gonna, continue to keep this channel going. So if you love my videos and you want to support, go ahead and click the link down below in the description box and check out this shirt. And I am wearing in this shirt a size large, and it has some room. So, if you like a little bit of room. And this is my favorite cut of all of the shirts. So check it out. In today's video, we are going to be talking about protective styles. I'm going to show you how I got this style, how my hair ended up in this way, because I don't know about you, I will do a hairstyle that is like all the way protective and just pretty basic to start with, and then I let it kind of flourish throughout the week. And that's kind of what happened here. I am working out a lot more. It's getting warmer outside. I less and less want to deal with, my hair. I don't really want my hands in my hair. I'm really trying to reach my hair length goals, and so I'm going to be doing a lot more protective styles. Most of them just using my natural hair. Sometimes it'll be added hair, but I think my preference usually is around just using my hair. And so this is just another style that I'm doing that has been perfect for the gym. It still looks cute and it kind of transforms. So you guys will kind of see a little bit of my thought process, when my hair is freshly washed, and you'll see how this look came about basically. So if you're interested in that, keep watching.
Hey loves, my hair is already separated into 2 sections. It has been washed, detangled. It needs a little more water, so I'm misting it with water, and I'm gonna take a leave-in conditioner that is liquid, and I'm gonna spray it all over my hair. You can use any conditioning products that you love. Take a tail comb, and for precision, I'm going to create a part that will be from ear to ear. This will create 2 sections in your hair, one in the front and one in the back, and this will just make it easier to organize the style as you're styling it. The section you're not working with, make sure you twirl and pin it up just to keep the hair stretched. Now working with the front section. I've come back. I have about 6 sections of hair, and the majority of the sections I will be splitting in half and putting rubber bands at the base of the sections. Here, I'm just securing these sections in buns so that each section can stay organized while I work on other sections. And here, I have taken each section, split it in half, put a rubber band at the base, and I'm twisting the loose hair. So you will end up looking like a little girl. At least I have that feeling, because this is a hairstyle that I wore as a little girl. But the goal is to get each section of hair twisted in a 2-strand twist all the way down. You won't be able to see me do the back section, but I do the same exact thing in the back. I take that large section, split it in two, and then essentially create a bunch of little ponytails with twists. Now this is where you can start to get creative. You can take all of those twists, put them up into a high ponytail, and then create a bun. You can take those twists, you can crisscross them into little designs so that you can have a little intrigue. That's what I'm doing. I have crisscrossed all of those twists in their adjacent sections. And then I'm taking a small rubber band and just making a high ponytail at the crown of my head. Now for the base of this bun, I'm gonna take those twists, wrap them around themselves, and I'm gonna secure it with a pin so you'll have a little tiny bun at the crown of your head. Then you'll take those back pieces and start to wrap it around that bun to make that bun appear bigger. Now when it comes to the back, you can do the same crisscrossed design that we did in the front. You can put them all straight up into that bun. You'll see in a second that I ended up crisscrossing the two bottom sections that were at the nape of my neck. I just like that idea that that part would be a little covered. So I crisscross that, and then I'm gonna pin that right up into the bun, and this will complete the first phase of this look. This is about 2 or 3 days later. Hey, the hair is still looking pretty good. And I'm gonna take this lock jewelry and I'm just gonna have fun decorating these twists. These lock cuffs or the lock jewelry, they come in so many different colors. There's gold, silver, rose gold. You can find purple and blue. They're so fun. They're so useful. They look good on updos like this. They look good on hanging twists, braids. They're a really nice asset to have, and I will make sure to link these down below. So you could stop there, but of course I don't. I was going to an event and I wanted a ponytail or bun that was a little fuller. And so here with this bun, you can play around. You can do so many different things with the hair that you have left. This is me deciding what I want to do, but I knew that I wanted the base of this ponytail to be covered. So I took one of those back pieces, those twists, I wrapped it around the base of the ponytail, and then I am unraveling those twists.
So at this point, there are so many different options that you can do. So depending on how long your hair is, you could just wear the twists down. You could take these twists out and have more length than I do. You can also use a little bit of heat on this ponytail to get a different look. However, what I think I'm going to do today, since it's not sort of like a relaxed twist, what I would say is if you want like a relaxed twist, you know, you want like a twist out that's gonna be laying down, don't wrap your hair the way that I did. But this is more about like showing how you can transition a protective style into different things throughout the week as you have different events. So for me, this is how it turned out. and you know, I could separate until this is an afro, like a little afro puff, which would be super cute, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna do that much manipulation this week. And so I'm basically gonna give myself another bun, but with some embellishments. Y'all, I'm trying my best in the back. I can't see a thing. And back in the day, I used to use 2 mirrors so I could really see. And my phone is nowhere near me right now. So, you know, I struggle with the back. I may go back and kind of fix it, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it's looking like right now. So I took a photo of the back of my head, and yeah, I realized that there was this random bobby pin that's just wanting to come out. And so I kind of fixed it. And yeah, I think this is good. I think that if you're the type of person who really wants to like lay your hairline, lay them edges, you could go ahead and do that. A good thing, or a really like lightweight thing to do, is like put a little mousse and then put your scarf on. It'll be a lot smoother in the morning, which is probably what I'm gonna do tonight. But this is the gist of the look, and I actually like the placement of this bun even more than I liked the twisted one. So I feel like this is a little bit more of a going out look. I can still work out, I can still do all of the things, but my hair just looks a little cuter. And these clamps, I've been using these for years. I get them from Amazon. They also come in gold, and I think it's just something that you can do to just make your hair look a little bit more elevated, like you really tried, without doing too much. So this is like the same style, but just a little up, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun playing in front of the camera. Sometimes it's just really nice to just get in front of the camera and just start doing things and see what the progression is. That's what this is about, you know, when you're alone and you are, you know, not in front of your computer screen or your phone, basically looking at tutorials. You know, what does it look like when you're going throughout the week with a specific hairstyle? And for me, it's all trial and error. You know, I do something, I'm like, I don't like this. I do something else. Okay, this is pretty cool. Or I let my hairstyle progress throughout the week. And like I said, you know, maybe towards the end of the week, I'll take this out and separate it a lot and it becomes an afro puff, you know? So depends on how much manipulation you want to do throughout the week. And you know, you gotta do what works for you, boo. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my t-shirts. Sponsored by me, y'all. I'm very excited about this line of t-shirts, and I can't wait to come out with even more. So if you have not checked it out, if you have not purchased, go ahead and support your girl, support this channel. As you know, I don't do a ton of sponsored content, so this is one of the ways in which I keep the channel going. And you know, I think it's cute. I'm gonna have so much fun styling this on Instagram and whatnot. So with that being said, if you missed my last hair tutorial, I'm going to post it here, bam. And if you're interested in any of my fashion content, I will post it there, bam. And you know, I'll see you in a couple days. Bye. Mwah.